Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to fix unusual activity has been detected from your devices in ChatGPT and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, if you're using the ChatGPT over here right now, you just need to go over here on your profile. I can click on this one, just go for logout and just log out from this ChatGPT. And once you successfully logged out, what we need to do is just wait for hardly, I have to say, 10 seconds, just log in back on your ChatGPT, and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably logging in back with the ChatGPT is going to fix the issue, because you just need to log out and log in with just basic, sometimes that even fix the issue. So you have to try this out. Next one is, apart from this, is all about, we just need to go over here, click on the three dot menu, try using the ChatGPT on incognito mode, not on any other local, the Google Chrome. So just use the incognito mode. Even this helped many users in my knowledge. I found this from the Reddit, even from the Quora, and even on many other many other community, where they say when they're using the ChatGPT on incognito mode, they don't find any trouble. So try using the ChatGPT on incognito mode, and you have to check. Next one is all about, what we need to do is we just need to click on the three dot menu over here, directly navigate to the extensions and click on the manage extensions. And right now, if you find any extension, for example, not apart from this, you'll be having tons of extensions. If you find anything, just click on the remove and you have to remove it. Once you successfully remove it, you have to try with one more thing, that is all about, you just need to refresh your ChatGPT over here, and you have to check. Sometimes they might be going through a refresh, might be fixing the issue. And also I request parallel, you can try whether the ChatGPT is going through any kind of server outages. If it is, just go over here, search for the ChatGPT server status, and go over here for the OpenAI. And right now they have already given one thing for the 2 weeks ago. It says for the new users who are trying to for in the video generation is going to face some temporary delay. So they're going to give you all these terms. Apart from this, the ChatGPT is running up and running for 99.43%, and everything is running over here fine. So you just need to check if there is going through any kind of outage issue right now on the ChatGPT. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is we just need to wait a couple of minutes in order to fix this from the OpenAI end. That's what you have to try. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.